Here's just a quick video of how to do the reading logs. You'll find this template on Canvas, and it has these different areas for you to fill in, like your name, class day and time, number and title of the chapter from the textbook, and the page numbers of that chapter, and then 7 to 10 key concepts with their page numbers, and then in this column, a corresponding response. Maybe it's a question, an example, maybe it's a paraphrase of this key concept. And then the level of difficulty of this chapter. So also on Canvas is an example. So it's filled in the name, their star student, class day and time. I put London, Tuesday. But if it's a class that's not in study abroad, then of course you'll put the day that the class meets, maybe it's Monday or Wednesday, and then the time that class meets, because sometimes I have two different sections or more of the same type of course of English 103 on the same day, just at different times. And then number and title of chapter, for example here, chapter 18, Finding Evidence, and then the page numbers of that selection. So here I've numbered each of the 7 to 10 key concepts. So the first one that I'm going to put for this chapter is rhetorical situation, and I've numbered it 1 here, given the page number where it's first mentioned, and then I number over here so it's clear which is related, which in this column is related to this side. So here's my example that I've given for this key concept. An example of rhetorical situation is information or research talking about social media from 5 years ago isn't going to be relevant today. And then you would keep going until you have like 7 to 10 key concepts from that chapter. And then I've rated this chapter as a difficulty level 3. So hope that helps.